This video will go through the upgrade process in L9. So when a new release has been made for L9, you're going to receive an email, or whoever's the administrator is going to receive an email that's going to look very similar to this. That an upgrade has been released. They're going to show you what the new functionality is. They're also going to show you the various improvements as well. So to implement this new version, you simply need to go into My Account, Admin area. Of course, you have to be an admin in order to do this. You're going to go under System Management, and then you're going to go into our update here. There we go, System Update. You'll see that the system knows that there has been an update, and you can see that it shows that I'm currently on 3.0.1 and that the new system release is now 3.1.0. So I simply need to hit the Update System. This will go onto the website where L9 is provided. It's going to pull down the information, it's going to store it in the appropriate directory, and now it's going to be upgraded. Once I press OK here, you're going to see that now my system along with the current update has been completed. And if I go back to this in the future, I'll see this as such. So if I go to Return here and I go back into System Management under System Update, you'll see that this is all set to go. So in a future release, I'll again get an email. I have to come back over here, and then from there just simply press the button to upgrade it. Thanks for your time. You have a great day.